Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to Stelly Grill and Chill. Hey, we finna cook a lot of great food today. So, hey, you know what time it is. Let's get it. So, yeah, we gonna start off with our leek. So, we simply gonna cut the tops off. I know some people would say throw these away, but oh no, y'all. We keeping these for stock. I need some veggie stock anyway, y'all. So yeah, now that we got done with them tops, let's get these bottoms off. Now I kind of want to do an experiment with this, so stay tuned. We gonna see what happens. So after we get them bottoms cut off, we gonna cut it in half, cause we need to clean our leeks. So check this out, y'all. Y'all see that dirt in there? Yeah, we need to clean that dirt out. So let's take it over to the sink. Give it a real good rinse. Make sure we get all that good dirt out. I mean, the dirt wouldn't kill you, but at the same time, you don't want to eat no dirt. So once we get those all clean, what I like to do is stack them on top of each other in a way. You know, you're not gonna get all of them stacked perfect, but stack them on top in a way, and then just cut all of them at the same time. Now you wanna go thin strips with this, as thin as you can get it. Then after we get them cut up, we got a pot here with 2 tablespoons of olive oil in it. So yeah, let's go and get our leeks in the pot. Give that a little quick mix. Then you know what time it is. Gotta rain on. Hit them with a little salt, a little pepper. Fresh, of course. Then we're gonna go ahead and get that a mix. Now what we're trying to do here, we're just trying to split these down until they get tender. And hey, it's gonna be time to eat then, y'all. But anyway, after they split down a bit, approximately about 2 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and get our potatoes in and start mixing them around. Getting that little oil and salt and pepper infused into those too. Now once we get it all mixed up, we're gonna come in with our veggie stock. And we're gonna let this simmer for approximately 15 minutes, but give or take, depending on how large your potato slices are, because all we're looking for is to get our potato fork tender. So once they get fork tender, we're gonna go ahead and come in with our stick blender and blend all this up. Gonna get it to a smooth consistency. Now, you can have it as thick or as thin as you like. Me, I like mine not really on the thin side, a little thick, but not too thick. And mine was just a little bit too thick, so I added a little bit more veggie broth in there. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for right here, y'all. This consistency right here. You see that? See how that pours? That's what you're looking for. But like I say, you can make it thicker or thinner if that's what you like. So now that we got us a nice plate of this soup, I'm gonna add me some green onions on top. Cause y'all know I'm a little onion person. I love me some onions. And then I'm gonna add me some fried potatoes on top. Now, I highly recommend these fried potatoes. They really give you that extra little texture kick. And hey, it really makes it yummy too, y'all. Really makes it yummy. See, that's what I'm talking about. Meatless Monday, y'all. Meatless Monday. Tell you, make sure you put you a couple of fried potatoes in there. It really helps the whole dish out. But anyway, y'all, you know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.